Hey everyone, so quick video today. I know I sound a little sick, but it's whatever. How to get this video out because it's super important updates to the SAT, and that has to do with the Blue Book practice tests. Okay, it's long overdue. We all knew that practice tests 1 through 3 were slightly inaccurate and didn't really prepare students for the difficulty on the real TSAT. And College Board agrees, right? So they are removing practice tests 1 through 3, and in their place are adding practice tests 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I think those practice tests 7 through 10 are going to be much more representative of what you might see on the real TSAT, and might be, questions that are derived specifically from the most recent August SAT, October, November, December. Okay. So if you scroll down to the FAQ section, and I'll link all of this in the description too if you want to read this for yourself. Why do you need to release new practice tests? They say as more students take the SAT, we want to tailor our practice resources to best prepare students. So they're basically claiming that it wasn't because the practice tests 1 through 3 were, not up to par with difficulty, but they're basically just saying that it's better practice material. But we all know what they're actually trying to say. It's just periodic, phrasing. So what does this mean for you, right? Well, if you're taking the March SAT, what that means is you're going to get much, much better representative practice material and practice tests to practice on for about a month before the March SAT. And I wouldn't go through all these practice tests in 1 month. I would save them, because if you're planning on, if you do happen to not do so well in March, and you want to take the May or June SAT, then you have more practice tests to use, right? So this is just something to look out for, and they're also introducing PDF versions. So I'm assuming that these questions will also be added to the question bank. So for those of you who have completed all the questions in the question bank, that's something you maybe want to revisit in the future. So that does it for the video, guys. Let me know what you think about these changes in the comments. There are a couple other things actually with new test dates, but I'll probably do those in a community post or something. But yeah, that is for the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.